good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you just stumbled up on this video. I'm back, man. I'm still here. I know it's been a minute since I posted a video, but I am back. It's funny because this year I've had way more boxes than I ever have, but I just don't have the time to do the videos. But no excuses, man. We got a 1250 box today from Soul Supremacy. As always, you new to the channel, nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery box full of kicks. If you follow me on IG, you probably able to stay with me a little bit more, or a lot of bit more than everybody else, because that's where I still be posting a lot of stuff. And eBay too. I don't have that many options on eBay right now, but I was slanging all kind of kicks on eBay for the last month. We got a 1250 box, man. I almost didn't even do a video for this one. I was going to just post them and move on to the next one because they coming in 2, 3, 4 boxes at a time. So I said, let me go ahead and do this little 1250 box. Y'all know how I get down. I jump straight into it. We got a Jordan 1 mid SE. We got a mid. Size 7 the boxes. Size 7 inside the shoes. These look to be dead stock. Kind of got that black toe vibe, but Jordan 1 dead stock, size 7. I'm not gonna take out both of them. Brand new, should be easy to move. Oh, and Merry Christmas to y'all too. Happy holidays to y'all, man. I hope everyone is enjoying a holiday and all of that cool stuff. We got a Jordan 1 low, size 9 on these. Take these out the box. This is a dope color. Giving me Christmas vibes too with the red laces. Size 9 on these. These look to be dead stock. The only reason why I don't know if these are dead stock is because they laced the way they are laced, but they don't have a crease in them. This is a patent leather toe box, and I don't see a crease in it. I'm gonna say these are dead stock. Size 9. These are actually pretty fire. These are pretty fire. I like these. I'll take lows over mids any day. See, we got another black and gold Jordan box. Another Jordan 1 low, size 9. Now see, these are dead stock for sure. Check that out. And the way the other ones was laced, it wasn't laced like this. That's what made me kind of doubt it. But dead stock, size 9, low. I wish they had Nike Air on the tongue. Man, I know a lot of people gonna hate me for saying that, but that's my personal preference. I really like the Nike Air on the tongue. I'm not a hype beast. Y'all already know that about me if you've been to the channel. It's just something that I like. We got a 350 brown box special, size 8. Creams. I haven't had these in a while. I had a ton of these back in the day. These are size 8 cream. Not dead stock. These still go for a pretty penny too. These are very clean though. Check out these. Check out the bottom. These are still really, really clean. Dang. Whoever had them took really good care of them. Still got the Yeezy on the inside. I don't know if y'all can see that. The insole still has all the writing pretty well visible. We got a box in here. I think I'm gonna save to the last. We got a New Balance. I've been getting some dope New Balances in. Some that I didn't even know what they were until I got ready to post them. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen the what are those 999 concept collab, and I think they called the Kennedy. I know what they called, but those were fire, man. Material, color, all that was dope. These are a size 10. These are the 550s, dead stock. Kind of giving me not even dad, but like grandpa vibes. Brand new, still got the tags on the shoe. I don't know what these are hitting for, but 550s. I don't know if this is heat or not because it's at the bottom of the box, but these boxes right here, it's a Jordan 1 high strap. I don't think this is heat, y'all. I've never seen this shoe before. I like this little Letterman check on there. Jordan 1 high strap. I don't know what the official colorway is on these. Purple, gold, kind of like a Laker color. Check them out. Size 11. Still got all the stars on the bottom. Pretty clean. A little toe box creasing, but nothing too major. Now we got 2 boxes at the bottom. I'm gonna save this one. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna show y'all what it is. I'm gonna save it though. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna go to this one. I think I know what it is. Oh, and it's my size. Tough. Tough. Ah, man. I don't know. I might keep these. I love these, man. These are fire. I wish they were 10.5. That'd be a better fit for me. These are an 11. But dang, these are clean. Not dead stock, unfortunately, but it's all good because I wear my stuff anyway. Check these out. Raging Bulls 2021 edition. Dope, dope, dope. Didn't cop them. I don't really buy shoes no more. I tried to get the, you know, the sneaker app look and all that stuff, but I never hit. So I just roll the dice on beater boxes, and I still come up on some fire. These are dope. My size 10.5, 11. They might be up for grabs, man. I might have to rock these once or twice first though. These are dope. Very, very clean, pre-owned. Box is looking pretty good so far. Last box. Size 9.5, Jordan 1. Not gonna look at the colorway. I ain't really too excited already because it's not my size, but it's all good. Okay. We got the Crimson Tints. I already got a pair of these in a size 6. These are 9.5. Dead stock. Yeah, this was a solid box, man. Nothing too crazy. Got the extra laces in here. These look bigger than a 9.5, but they are 9.5. Dead stocks, I ain't gonna take out both of them. Dope. It's always cool to pull OG highs, dead stock out of a box. These right here will probably be sold before the video goes up. If you follow me on Insta, you might can grab these before the video goes up. I'll be doing those story sales on there, and stuff be flying. So that's gonna conclude this box, man. I'm so glad that I had time to shoot the box today. My son not here to make no noise or anything. So yeah, that's gonna conclude the 1250 box. Make sure y'all follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE and the for sale page at TGOTSOLE for sale. Shout out to everyone who had hit me up and copped a mystery box. I love doing those, man. Y'all put the faith in me to build those for y'all. It means a lot to me. So man, appreciate y'all, bro. Y'all order those mystery boxes and everybody hit me back like, yo, we love the box, we love the box. So that's what's up. I should have more of those coming available too. So if you need one, DM me and we will figure something out. I think that's gonna do it. Y'all know I don't do too much rambling. I'm out. Peace.